Hey guys, Yvette here. Thank you so much for joining me today and welcome to my channel if this is your first time. So today I'm going to talk to you about the top 3 mistakes insurance agents make when trying to generate leads online and how to fix them. So here's one thing that a lot of agents do is they treat their leads kind of like a one-night stand. And I know that sounds really silly, but hear me out. A lot of these agents, so you know those sites where agents are asking someone to fill out their information so they can get a quote? Well, although this sounds kind of cool, the quality of these leads is like really low. And the reason for this is because the people that are joining these websites and putting their information in are really just are shopping around. They're not actually interested in insurance. They just want something for free, and they're also just shopping. So those leads are very poor quality leads. So one thing I've learned as far as I've been a digital marketing agent or digital marketing expert for over 15 years is the number one thing you need is to build relationships with your potential leads, because as you continue to make offers over time, getting to know, like, and trust you, there is how you're going to be able to turn those potential leads into actual buying, paying customers. What they say in marketing is typically takes about 7 marketing touches for a lead to take you up on your offer. So what that means is that if you are contacting them and following up with them and providing them offers, getting them to know, like, and trust you, after a period of 7 times or less, it could be less depending on your content, those people will turn into actual customers. So it's beneficial for you to have a system, a lead system of a follow-up so that you're able to do this consistently. Number 2 mistake that agents have is not driving their leads through to a funnel to capture their email. A funnel is type of a landing page website where you're actually providing information and you're offering something for free in exchange for their name and email. So it's completely different than a website. And most agents are using the old-fashioned site where there's a lot of places to click on. There's information like about us and click here, here's something here. So there's too many things to distract the potential lead to actually give their information. And most of the time they get lost and they don't end up putting in their information. So if you have just a website, that's not really going to be helping you either. And number 3, using your Facebook business page instead of your Facebook personal profile page. So I've had this question asked to me lots of times where agents will say, hey, what if I just use my business page? I've been making it look so great. I have some great content on there, and that's all good and dandy. But here's the thing, the Facebook business page is really kind of just like your calling card. Like, when you go to a networking event, you give them your business card. Imagine that's your Facebook business page. That's all it is. But your profile page is actually where you're able to capture, you can give information, you can capture their information as far as when they click on the link to book a call with you. You can put a link on your Facebook profile page, and you can actually give information on your Facebook profile page. So you can give tips, you can give strategies, you can give valuable information. You can talk about testimonials from your past clients. There's a lot of things you can do on your personal profile page that you cannot do on your business page. And the best thing about it is you can add friends. So when you're going and finding your dream customer in the different groups that I mentioned in the other previous videos, you can bring them over your profile page and then they can start becoming your friends. And as they become your friends and they start following you, when you have something that you are posting on your profile, that goes directly on the top of their feed. So say they haven't bought anything from you yet, but they see something that grabs their attention. Say they're a potential lead and they're in a construction business, or they're in a high risk position where they can lose their life, and you put something out there on your page that grabs their attention, that's going to bring them directly to your profile. So now if you're setting them to a funnel, that landing page that I mentioned, then now you're capturing them as a lead. And now that person is going to be getting follow-up from you every couple of days, so they get to know you. So by the time they book a call with you directly, they're actually going to be a qualified insurance customer, as opposed to someone that you're just calling and found through a lead vendor. So that's a huge difference in a totally different approach to marketing as opposed to what most agents are doing right now. And the thing is with your Facebook business page, you're actually not talking about who you are. It's just like talking about your business. And here's the thing, you need to build your brand through your personal profile and network there. So people don't buy insurance from advisors. They buy it from people, not business or companies or brands. And that's the thing that agents don't realize, that say you're working at one company, right? And you leave and you go to another company, the people that you're going to take with you and the people that are going to work with you, they don't care about which company you work at or which policies you can sell. They care about you as a person. They want to work with you because they like you and they trust you. That's the biggest key component of organic marketing, as opposed to the old-fashioned way, because what you're doing is you're teaching people about who you are and how you can help them, as opposed to buy. You're actually providing value, and you're showing them that you're someone that they can trust and they can work with, because most people don't know very much about insurance. They don't know. You're the expert. So if you're able to show them what you know and how you can help them, that's what's going to make them become a customer, as opposed to buy. They're not interested in that, and they're not going to work with you for that. So that's the biggest thing. So those are the top 3 things I highly recommend changing. If you're doing any of these mistakes that I just mentioned, it's okay. Just stop doing them and implement what I just mentioned, because it's going to really help your business to take off. And if you don't have a lead system already set up, if you don't know what a lead magnet is, even to put together a potential offer that you can give to your potential customers, those are all things that'll help you, that'll get you much better quality leads if you have them implemented. If you have questions, click on the links below. You can book a call directly with me. I'll show you exactly what I mean and how it works and how you can completely transform your business. Because here's the way organic marketing works. This is like the perfect analogy. Organic marketing is like growing a garden, right? When you first start your garden, you're just planting seeds and you're watering it every day. You're gonna be like, hey, I don't have any plants growing. I don't have any flowers. Nothing's happening. But as you're consistently growing that garden, slowly you'll start to see a leaf pop up, and you'll start to see things coming and growing, and you're like, whoa, where did this come from? And as you continuously grow it and you continuously nurture that garden, it's going to yield you a humongous, bountiful harvest, is the best way to say it. Because what that's doing is it's going to grow your system on autopilot. So with insurance and a lead system, what you're doing is you're building this entire system where in the beginning, yes, it's going to take a little bit of time, but as you grow it every single day, over time, you'll have a fully functioning business where you'll be getting leads without you having to go and get buy leads. You'll never have to buy leads again, because you built that over a period of time. Then now they're coming to you, and all you have to do is like, oh yeah, thanks. I have a call here scheduled, and literally you will see your calendar fill up with calls. And that's the goal of organic marketing. And that's the goal of what I'm trying to do here. But so that I'm rambling now, so I'm just going to go back to the beginning. So make sure you, fix those mistakes, and stay tuned for my next video. And I hope you have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next one.